All right, we'll continue parabola. I think this is our third class on the parabola maybe. One is about conic sections we gave. What is parabola we discussed one day, and then some features of it. Maybe fourth class today. What is today? Day sixth, fifth. What is the date?
Fifth, sir.
Fifth. Okay. So anyway, last class I said I'll give some homework. I forgot to tell about the homework, but anyway, today I'll tell, and tomorrow you have to write exam. Focus on the exam. After that, if you have time, write. So basically, last class we have seen. So last class we have seen the four cases of the parabola. One time parabola is here, another time translated horizontally, another time parabola is like this and translated horizontally. So for each one, the list of formulas we have seen, and I gave one question for each model. When the parabola is given, how to find the different features of that. Okay, but now sometimes they will give different features of the parabola and you have to find parabola. The first part of this chapter is parabola equation will be given to you. If required, you have to make y times perfect square or you have to make x times perfect square. Get in the form of either y square equal to 4x or y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h, or x square equal to 4ay or x minus h whole square equal to 4a into y minus k. One of these four categories, and use the formula. But sometimes they'll give some features and they ask you to find the parabola. All right. Please write this question, everybody. Find the equation of the parabola. Find the equation of the parabola whose focus is 8, 3. Whose focus is 8, 3. And the vertex is 1, 3. Vertex is 1, 3. Okay. So now you have to understand, first of all, is it a parabola whose axis parallel to x-axis or y-axis? What is the common to these 2 points, y coordinate or x coordinate?
Y coordinate.
Y coordinate.
Because y coordinate is same, they are lying on the same horizontal line and they are like this. Where this is 1, 3, this is 7, 3. Okay. Now, if I want to find this parabola equation, because the vertex is h, k, I can directly say it will be in the form of y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h, which is y minus 3 whole square, okay, into x minus 1. But what is 4a? Anybody want to tell what? I gave vertex 8, 3. Is that focus? Okay. Anybody want to tell what is 4a value for this parabola?
Sir, this 4 times the distance between 8, 3 and 1, 3.
Yes. So one should not think this x coordinate or this x coordinate is a, because vertex is not origin. But the distance between them is always a. I said in a parabola always this is a, this is a, this is 2a, and this is 2a for the lattice vector, right? Okay. So the distance between these two is 7 units. So because of that, 4 into 7. I'm writing directly. But if it is a question in IP exam, you don't write directly. What is that you should do? First, identify it as a horizontal parabola and let it be like this. Then h, k, which is vertex formula, should be 1, 3. Focus formula is h plus a, k is equal to 8, 3. And now you write from this that h is equal to 1, k equal to 3, h plus a is equal to 8. By putting h equal to 1, a is equal to 7. Put this in this data. That's all. Just 2 more steps extra. But you can tell directly y minus 3 whole square equal to 28 into x minus 1. You can expand if you want. You can leave it also. Naveen, are you there in the class? What is the name? Roll number 52, Naveen? Yes, okay. You are clear about this?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, next question. Vertex is 9, 5. Focus is 7, 5. You have to find parabola.
Sir,
Yes.
y minus 5 whole square equals to 4 into 2 into x minus 9.
Some mistake is there. Draw the figure.
Sir, it is minus 4 into 2.
Yes. Minus 8, minus 4 into 2. Yes, you said. It is opening towards left. Whenever something is opening towards left, it will be negative. A value will be negative. Length of lattice rectangle is not 8, 4a, but a can be negative. So here vertex is this side 9, 5 and focus this side 7, 5. So it is opening towards left. Like this. Okay, if you want to use the IP method also, it's good. H comma k is simply 9, 5. H plus a comma k is equal to 7, 5. From this, h is equal to 9, k equal to 5. H plus a equal to 7. Put 9 in that. You will get a is equal to minus 2. Exam, now you completed mains fully?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uday Lakshmi?
Completed.
Okay. Yashashwani, roll number 8.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Yesterday only you said, okay. Or you said some good. It's okay. Today complete. All right, y minus 2. So y minus 5 whole square equal to 4 into minus 2 into x minus 9. So you have to understand when parabola is opening towards right, the constant 4a will be positive, and opening towards left, 4a will be negative. Okay. You can see a equal to minus 8. And our formula is same. Y minus any horizontal parabola whose axis parallel to x axis will be y minus k whole equal to 4a into x minus h. Is everybody clear about the next question also? I just wrote the question. Vertex is focus is 47. Okay, next question. Vertex 2, 3. Focus 2, 8. Find parabola. Vertex 2, 3. Focus 2, 8. Saptarshi Mandal completed mains fully?
Circle, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Dinesh Chandu?
Yes, sir.
Completed. Okay. Puneet?
Yes, sir.
Completed fully.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, anybody tell answer for this? First draw the figure if you want.
Sir,
Yes.
X minus 2 whole square is equal to 4 into 5 into y minus 2.
Yes. It is a vertical parabola. 2 comma 3 is here, 2 comma 8 here. This is 2 comma 3, this is 2 comma 8. So it will be in the form of x minus h whole square equal to 4a into y minus k. H comma k is equal to 2 comma 3. H comma k plus a is the formula for the focus, which is 2 comma 8. From this h equal to 2, k equal to 3. H plus a equal to 8 implies a is equal to 5. So x minus 2 whole square is equal to 4 into 5 into y minus 3, which is 20 times y minus 3. Okay, next vertex 5 comma 4 and focus is 5 comma 1. Yes, anybody want to tell the
X
answer?
minus 5 whole square equals to 4 into minus 3 into y minus 4.
Yes, it's a downward parabola. This is 5 comma 4, this is 5 comma 1. Because downward you will get negative. If you want to use it by any standard formula, h comma k is equal to 5 comma 4, h comma k plus a is equal to 5 comma 1. So you'll get h is equal to 5, k equal to 4, and k plus a is equal to 1. From that a equal to minus 3. Now if you put it in x minus h whole square equal to 4a into y minus k, you get x minus 5 whole square equal to 4 into minus 3 into x minus 4, sorry, y minus 4. So minus 12 into y minus 4. Okay, next question. 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 5. Vertex 1 comma 3, focus 3 comma 5, find parabola. Here x coordinates are not same. Y coordinates are also not same. That means it's neither a parabola with axis parallel to x-axis nor to y-axis. So it is some kind of rotated parabola like this. This is 1 comma 3, this is 3 comma 5. So definitely answer is don't expect in the form of y minus k equals to 4 into x minus h or x minus h equals to 4 into y minus k. That is only for horizontal. This is rotated. Anybody want to give any idea how to do this?
Sir, that line can be y equal to x plus 3, sir. X plus 2.
Yeah, it's okay, but it is neither horizontal nor vertical, right? I can give any 2 points. My question is, what if the x coordinates are not same, y coordinates are not same? I can use 20, 30, 52, 100, doesn't matter. Okay. What is the general method?
Sir,
Yes, please. Yeah.
Find the
sir,
slope
we know.
translation. No, sir.
You want to use translation and even rotation. You want to use it. Yeah, you have to do translation and rotation, find the answer, and again find the back in the original system.
Sir,
You can do that. Yes.
sir, first find the slope of the 2 points, sir, and
that
then find the slope of this line.
Is there any name for that line?
Directrix, sir.
Okay.
And then find the distance between 1, 3 and 3, 5, sir. We know the slope of that line, no, sir. Use
Yes.
x1 equals x1 plus r cos theta and y1 plus r sin theta and x1 minus r sin theta, and where r is the distance between those 2 points, sir.
So which point are
Those
you
2
trying to
points
find?
we will get, in those 2 points we will get, one point is 3, 5, sir, and then another point passes through this line, sir. We know the slope of this line and line, sir, and we know focus, sir. We can
If
find.
you wanted this point, I would have told you very easy. For these two, this is midpoint. Now double of this minus this will give you this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyway, so you know this point, you know this slope, so you know this slope. We'll find this line. After that,
Sir, we know line and focus, no, sir. We can
yes,
find.
yes, we can use the original definition of the parabola. If you take any point on that, distance to focus equal to distance to directrix, SP equal to PM. Okay, so here don't try to do by these previous 4 questions. Really find the directrix and then use SP equal to PM form. All right. So this is focus S. This is vertex V. Let us call this as M or some other point N. Not a big issue. Okay. And any other point of the parabola is P, and this put is this, and we have SP equal to PM. Right. Okay. So how to find slope? First of all, slope of SN line. Slope of SN line. 5 minus 3 by 3 minus 1. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Next, how to, if the slope of MN line will be perpendicular, so it will be minus 1. This slope is 1, this slope will be minus 1. Okay, next, what is this point N? It is midpoint. So V is equal to N plus S by 2. So if I want N, it will be 2V minus S. Double of the midpoint minus this 2 minus 3 minus 1, 6 minus 5, 1. Okay. Now, what is the equation of directrix? Y minus 1 equal to minus 1 into x plus 1, x minus minus 1. So that is basically x plus y equal to 0. Okay, so actually the axis line equation is x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. This point we got it as minus 1 comma 1. This line is x plus y equal to 0. You know focus and you know directrix. You can use SP equal to PM. So SP is equal to PM. Root over x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. And this is x plus y by root 2. Okay. I can square it in this side. I'll get 2 into x square plus y square minus 6x minus 10y plus 34 equal to x square plus y square plus 2x. Okay. So here x square, y square terms are getting cancelled. No. So you're getting x square minus 2xy plus y square minus 12x minus 20y plus 68 equal to 0. Okay. So see, in the previous question only, somebody should have thought, what if x coordinates are not same? What if y coordinates are not same? Then you have to do like this. Ahijit understood the method? Ahijit? Navdeep, understood the method? Navdeep?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Hey, Naveen, understood? Hey, Naveen, you have many birthdays in your family in the same month, 1 or 2 months. Huh? You are speaking or not? I am not listening anything.
Sir, can you hear me now?
Now I can hear.
In May month we have birthdays.
What? Okay. Anybody else has any doubt regarding this? Saket, is it clear?
Seeing again.
Okay. Okay, those are completed. Next question. Ends of latus rectum. Are 10, 6, 10, 30. Okay. Find parabola. Okay. Ends of latus rectum of a parabola 10, 6, 10, 30. Find equation of the parabola. I want to first of all draw the figure and try this. Hey, Divya, understood the previous question?
Yes, sir.
Rhythm day, previous question is clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Saket, I am erasing this whole thing.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Anybody got the figure? You want to tell something about it, even if not the full details of parabola. You want to tell length of latus rectum, focus, vertex, something you want to tell about this?
Sir, it is. Sir, it is in the form of square equals to 4ay, sir.
Vertical parabola you want to say?
Sir, with
Yes, sir, vertical parabola, but we are getting two parabolas, sir.
We are getting two, that's correct. But these two have same x coordinate means they're in the same vertical line, right? If a lattice rectum is vertical, why parabola will be vertical?
Horizontal.
Yes, x is parallel to x-axis because lattice rectum is parallel to y-axis. Axis has parallel. 10, 6, 10, 30, one above the other, not in the same horizontal. There is the same. Anyone want to tell what is the focus of this parabola or the parabolas?
10,
10,
36 by 2.
10, 18.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, I'll try to do this first by the figure, then by the formula. You can also do it. Give you some time. At least I'll draw the figure and leave it. Yeah, definitely there are two parabolas with these two as ends of lattice rectum. One like this, one like this. This is 10, 30. This is 10, 6. So the midpoint is actually 10, 18. Now, if you can find vertex, I think you're able to tell the parabolas. Anyone want to tell at least one of the two vertices?
The minus 2, 18.
Sir,
4, 18 and 16, 18.
4 and 16. Yes, correct. Because 4a value is 24, so a value will be 6, not 12. That is, distance between vertex and focus is not 2a. B. Tarun, you are able to follow comfortably parabola? Okay. BVP Kartikeya, your video is off. Giridhar, Lochan, Pavan, roll number 56, Chaitanya, V. Harika. Videos are off. Chaitanya, Harika, Lochan, Giridhar, Pavan.
Sir,
Yes, please.
how you did you get two parabolas, sir?
How did we get two parabolas?
Yes, sir.
We got. Anyway, this distance is 12 here, 12 here. That is 2a. So a value is 6 here, 6 here. From focus, the vertex can be this side or this side. If you go 6 forward, it will be 16, 18. If you go 6 backward, 4, 18. And 4a is 24, no doubt. The length of lattice rectum is 24. Opening towards the right, what will be the equation of that parabola? Horizontal parabola with vertex known, length of lattice rectum known. So what is the parabola? Anybody? Nitin, you completed, right? Why don't you tell?
Yes, sir. Y minus 18 whole square is equal to 24 times x minus 4.
Y minus 18 whole square equal
No,
to 24.
X minus 16. That one.
No, this is like this, right?
Yes, sir. X minus 4 only.
And what about this parabola opening towards left?
Y minus 18 whole square is equal to 24 times x minus 16.
X minus 24 times opening towards left. So minus 24 times x minus 16. Okay. So this is from the figure only. We have done everything from the figure. Now nothing to write much, right? But now let us see if they give this kind of question in a board exam or something, how to write a figure. Not for the purpose of board exam. Somebody will say, I did not get idea from the figure. Tell me how to do the formulas for that. first of all, you have to understand these two have same x coordinate. So lattice rectum is vertical, so the parabola is horizontal. It will be in the form of y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h. And the ends of lattice rectum for that formulas are h plus a comma k plus or minus 2a. We know that. So we can equate these two to this. You have two cases. What is that? H plus a is equal to, sorry, h plus a comma k plus 2a is equal to 10 comma 6, and h plus a comma k minus 2a is equal to 10 comma 30. And then h plus a comma k minus 2a is 10 comma 6, and h plus a comma k plus 2a is 10 comma 30. Okay, so we know ends of lattice rectum are h plus a, k plus 2a, and h plus a, k minus 2a. Which one is 10 comma 6, which one is 10 comma 30, then change it. So that's the two cases. So now when you equate h plus a is equal to 10, k plus 2a is equal to 6, and k minus 2a is equal to 30. And when you solve these two, we'll get k is equal to 18, and 2a is equal to 12, and a equal to 6, and put that, you'll get h is equal to 4. So you got h comma k is equal to 4 comma 18, and a equal to 6. Then y minus 18 whole square equal to 4 into 6 into x minus 4. Coming to this, h plus a is equal to 10, k minus 2a is 6, k plus 2a is 30. When I add them, k is equal to 2k equal to 36, k equal to 80. When I subtract these two, 4a is equal to 36, a is equal to 9. Put that 9, you'll get, no, a equal to 6, down here 24. A equal to 6 and h equal to 4. So here h comma k minus 4a equal to this. So a equal to minus 6. When a is minus 6, h will be 16. Yeah. So h comma k is 16 comma 18, and a equal to minus 6. So y minus 18 whole square equal to 4 into minus 6 into x minus 6. Okay, what we got from the figure, you can also get by the formulas also.
Sir,
Saket, is it okay? Why we got two cases?
Little bit confusing.
No confusion. You look not from the figure. Look at the formulas. Ends of lattice rectum are h plus a and k plus or minus 2a. Which one is k plus 2a? Which one is k minus 2a? Can interchange, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's it. Most important point is the 2 points have same x coordinate. Means they're in the same vertical line. That means lattice rectum is a vertical line parallel to y-axis. Means it should be a parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis. It should be in the form of y minus k whole square root of 4a into x minus h. Further, the standard formula for ends of lattice rectum are h plus a comma k plus or minus 2a. Which one is a k plus 2a? Which one is k minus 2a? You can choose. Others from the figure also draw. Yes, Mr. Day, any other doubt you have?
sir, in the how did you means in the figure, sir? How did you get the point 16, 18 and 4, 18, sir?
I showed you right there 6 units. If you have,
Yes, sir. That how, sir? 6 units.
oh, I told you to write in the beginning. Remember this, that you take any parabola. If this length is k, this length is k, this is 2k, this 2k. That doesn't change, right? The relative distance.
Yes, sir.
So if for 2, this is 4a again, lattice rectum. 2a is 12, a is 6. So either you have to go 6 forward or 6 backward to get vertex. If you go 6 forward, x coordinate will increase by 6. If you go 6 backward, x coordinate decrease will by 6, and no change in y coordinate. That's it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Saket, is it more clear now?
Yes, sir.
Everybody clear in the first figure how we get those distances and all points? If somebody has doubt, please ask. BVP Karthikeya, is it clear? Okay. Okay, time is up. We'll stop. Thank you.